Welcome everyone. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of electric scooter. Electric scooters are sleek, compact, and eco-friendly modes of transportation that are gaining popularity worldwide. At the beginning, let's start with the basics, the structure. Firstly, let's look at the e-scooters. We have different sizes of e-scooters. 8-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch, and 11-inch are the most popular sizes. They have a wide range of application scenarios. They are perfect for urban commuting. They can also provide an enjoyable way to explore the campus, parks, shopping malls, and other places. Inside the frame, we find the powerful electric motor and a rechargeable battery. The motor is responsible for propelling the scooter forward, while the battery supplies the energy needed for the motor to operate. Together, they provide the scooter with impressive range and speed. Usually, the bigger the scooter, the bigger the battery, and the longer the mileage. There can be single motor or dual pump motors, and apparent scooters with dual motors are with stronger power. Here we only talk about rated power. There are different standards of power which include 600 watt, 800 watt, 1000 watt, 1200 watt, or even 2000 watt. And 2000 watt is mostly used on the 11-inch e-scooters. The controller, motor, display are the electronic control system of the e-scooter. The controller is the brain of the scooter. It regulates the power output. A good control ensures smooth riding and stable performance. Now let's talk about wheels. Generally, an electric scooter has two wheels, and they have various sizes in 8-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch, and 11-inch. When we talk about the scooter size like 9-inch or 10-inch, actually we mean the wheel size is 9-inch or 10-inch. Did you see the screen? It's not just a display. It's your ultimate companion on the road. With a user-friendly interface, it offers a lot of functions, from speedometer and battery indicator to trip distance and the cruise system. The screen provides real-time information, ensuring you are always in control. There you have it, a quick overview of electric scooters. In next episode, we will discover more secrets of electric scooters.
If you like our videos, please subscribe and share.